Online Doctor Honest Review, watch before using. Online Doctor is a term used by several healthcare providers to describe their digital consultation service. Notably prominent UK-based service include both Online Doctor and Superdrug Online Doctors. And here an overview of this platform. So the Both Online Doctor it offers online consultation and prescription services, allowing patients to access healthcare. And if you want more features or we want more feedback about this platform, you can just simply go to review.io. Then you can simply get the customer's feedback about this platform. So the service has been received positive review, posting about 4.9 out of 5 rating based on 71 reviews. So users frequently commend the service efficiency and professionalism. For example, like under this professionalism, excellent service that provides a lot of support and online tools to help, and they also provide testimonies, highlights, and the platform commits to providing the quality healthcare services.